Firstly, let's learn about the three elements of the fence: pillars, mesh panels, and frame fixing rings. Let's demonstrate how to install it now. Normally, first, measure the distance between the columns and drive an expansion. The small sample of the fence will skip this step. We install the bottom frame fixing ring first. Tighten the screws. Put on the net. Install the top frame fixing ring. Tighten the screws. Install the dust cover. Put on the pillar cover. In this way, the small sample of the fence is installed. Now, our fences have been used in many fields. Now let's enjoy our case pictures. We not only have diamond fences, but also aluminum alloy and other materials, and various sizes. And various colors for customization.